to give you people who can tell you and reinforce the love that you have.
Prepare yourself for a game where first impressions mean everything.
If somebody can identify 12 complete strangers just by looking at them, they'll win $500 million.
Identity Monday again. Only here on Q. Ever wondered where Susan got that infectious laugh?
Nagtitinda nga ka, pre. Sumumupit talaga ako, pero tinatabi ko yun. Pag nagtinda ko sa bangko, sinasabi niya, ano ba ni Susan? Bakit? Kasi araw-araw nabuhog siya ng pera.
Ay, mo bang naging pangarap niya para sa kanya?
Wala naman.
Wala rin.
Yun o. Kaya nga, ito naka-video nga eh. Hindi na ma-shoot yan, no? Boom!
Daddy, ayun, nag-iba na itsura. Gagay, di ba tayo nakakabili?
Alin?
Ayun, ano, yun.
Gawing okay. Over sa lasa ng karne ang ginisang gulay. Sarili and spices. Okay, over sa lasa ng karne. Sa New Normandy Pacific.
Ang best ever init ng bagong Thirst, kitang-kitang mas malinis na, amoy malinis pa. Best ever served. Please.
Sabi mo, kiss, kiss. Kiss mo to, kiss. Kiss mo yung camera, kiss mo, kiss, kiss. 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 Kiss mo, kiss.
What we do talaga, we will never be able to discover the
Kiss mo ulit,
perfect
kiss,
person
kiss.
that first
Kiss mo ulit, kiss mo yung camera, kiss mo yung camera.
Hindi, but we can always try naman, di ba?
Matandali, pamunta na si at. Video.
Confession, gano'n. Ito yung abo ka nagalit. Ito mga ex niya to.
Daddy, si Eman.
We like being the boyfriend, being faithful and committed to everyone, enjoying the security and comfort of a monogamous relationship. But we don't want you to know that because you instead want to control us. Uy!
Teka muna, kayo muna, naka-experience din ba kayo ng boyfriend na talagang super faithful? Hindi ba boring yung ganon, na parang sa inyo lang umiikot yung mundo?
That would be fresh. I mean, yeah, if you found a man who's super faithful, that's going to be new.
Okay.
Bago yan.
Never had.
Daddy, ah.
Ako yes. Yes, twice.
Daddy.
Miss Sandra, are you gonna hurt that wife?
Daddy. Oh, pinapanood ko. Hawakan mo na to. Hindi, hawakan mo na. Oh. Ay, ma'am, buksan mo yan. Pinapanood ko si, yung topic, Daddy. Ito. Kaya remote.
Kayo ba?
Tira na remote.
Yung boyfriend niyo, kapag okay na ba na
Ate, nasa na yung remote?
Ah.
Dahil sila siya remote.
At na-in-love sila sa'yo, at nararamdaman mo yan, that only
Akala
means
naman.
you want to give them more than what they're giving you. Love begets love. Pag bigyan mo ako ng pagmamahal, pagdaramdaman ko, I'll give you even more than what you're giving me.
Ay, hindi na amor con amor ka para. Di ba? Love begets love. Bitaw na.
I am in complete agreement.
I have nothing further to say.
We like the chase, we like pursuing you, but once we've settled in and made a commitment, we want the chasing to stop. It's tiring to chase you forever. So when you pull away from us, we tend to also pull away.
Ganon? Ganon. Kayo ba? Sinusuyo kayo forever. Lagi kayo nililigawan kahit na kayo na
Oo.
kahit matagal na yung relationship.
Yes.
That is something
Yes.
I learned from
Gusto ko
the
rin
French
yun.
guy.
Ayun na, daddy, manood ko malalaman mo yung mga
general French belief that you must court your woman every day of your life.
Ako nahanap itong lalaking ito. Ako kayo, ganun din? I'm sure.
Kasi to begin with, I fall in love with a man who's romantic, who can touch you every now and then, reassure you and say, I love you, make you, not really I love you, but make you feel good about yourself. Now, when you say,
Eh, bawal magsak sa kanya.
tired of making you feel special, I hope not. Kasi that's when it just fades away and you're just
Mo, hindi pa nalagay yung remote mo.
to be
Kaya pala natatawa.
kampante ka na lang, complacent ka na lang just because pupok ka, tayo na
Oo,
natin.
so you're not doing anything anymore.
Diba? I don't need to make an effort.
Yes.
That's very, very wrong to begin with. Ganyan yung klaseng tao na nakita mo at nagustuhan mo.
Yes.
Where does that man go afterwards? Ako for me, statements like that would mean na hindi siguro sa kaka-person ng guy, parang hindi siguro siya nasusuklian ng tama ng babae. Kasi
Strange dreams. And Ada, listen. The whole town is watching.
oh my gosh,
Ewan bakit na. Kasi,
Stranger than glass.